We've taken the tin off the front of the bay here. You can see we're maneuvering our way to the top. But you can see as we're doing our tin removal, all this wood underneath, if there is any here, the sill areas are damaged. I'm gonna have to re-put wood all over all this. Okay, continuing on now, we have this all ripped. You can see across the base here how now it's all going to be all sealed in. This area here all across. This is before we add our plywood, so I know that our base will all be sealed in. You can see all across the bottom where we've taken out all the old stuff. Okay, now this area is all sealed in. You can see we're going to start replating the front and keep continuing on so that this area is here will all be recovered over and closed off. You see, like so. Alright, continuing, you can see how plywood has all been in place, all up and down on the sides. Same thing on the front. All across, same thing up and down the sides. And then again all across the front. Continuing along, you can see we're running the strips up the brick so we can put our siding on the side ears. You can see we've done the same thing here. Now we use a liquid nail across the back. You can see like so. And then we shoot it with the Hildy gun, shoot the bricks. Alright, you can see now all plywood's in place. I've made our new sills all across. We've stripped everything out all across the top area. Same thing over here. New sills, everything's been stripped out. And then again, like I said, up there. Alright, we've insulated everything till now. We've ran out of insulation. Everything along here is now being flashed. You can see coming across. You can see my caps made up. Again with this, even the side was done. All the way up. See, we started getting up there. Alright, continuing on, you can see everything's been flashed, outlined. Windows are capped. We've got the corner posts in place. We've jayed out the windows. We've jayed across the base. We're going to focus on some of the lower today. It's just too hot up on that roof. Alright, back online here. Just want to show you that we stripped and filled in the bottom. We're putting on the flash caps now, as you can see. And I'm capping around the windows. That's the top so far. And then we'll start jaying it out, but that's where we're at right now. Okay, you can see the flashing starting to take place. Ceiling's all done. We started our window caps all around the framework that was already done. We got some material loaded up here. You can see the wires are ready for her porch light. Okay, you can see here now that all the panels are moving along up here along the top. You can see even over here we've brought our level line around. We're maneuvering all the panels in now. And same thing over here. You can see I got my panels ready to go now. I'm going to bring my level line over and keep moving along. Now that the panels have filled in, see we're moving along. I brought my next panels over onto the sides. And now the next steps that are moving along are the outlining here for my soffit cap. It's going to put my soffits on there. I've continued to run this wall also up over the roof edge. I've also capped the front face of this half of this party box. As I get up here, it will be different. I'm taking the rings off so that everything will run across here. So that now this will all run straight across there. And I'm going to continue to hop over here now, continue insulating, finishing off these panels here, and then continuing all my caps across. Alright, you can see now how we're moving along with all the caps around the doorway are getting complete. You can see the doorbell buttons, everything along here. Okay, I'm coming across now with my soffit. You can see my J runs straight across, so everything runs level. Same thing coming across the front. And I'm now starting to get my corner close-offs on there. That's what those white accents are, you can see. It's on both sides. Alright, soffits are on, I showed that. We've now ran the upper. You can see we're starting to get our soffit stack going. We're at that circle area. You can see I always make sure I go 2 or more panels above where my soffit is, so anything that gets in there does not get behind, but also allows for ventilation. Continuing along here, the Cornis cap is in place. You can also see this cap here. It's round, comes all the way around.
Just want to show you the top here. It's all getting mucked in. As you see, I'm putting down the fabric now. Alright. Finished off the fabric. Then I'll get down. Alright, just want to show you where we're at right now. I don't know, DJ already took video. Okay, now we're down here working on the inside. Alright, so I'll show you where we're at now. All the soffits ran across the front, capping it off now. Then we're going to put our roof caps on and muck it in. Everything's all clean and caulked underneath.
Okay, this is all final video. You can see how the door was outlined. Address plates in place. Shutters are all in place. That light is all connected now.